Planning a move in Springfield, Massachusetts? Full-service movers handle everything from packing and loading to transportation and unpacking. In this video, we'll cover what full-service moving involves, how to prepare, and tips to make your move smooth and stress-free. Full-service movers handle packing all your belongings, disassembling furniture, loading onto the truck, transporting items, unloading, reassembling furniture, and even unpacking if requested. They often provide specialized services like packing electronics, artwork, or fragile items, and can offer storage if your new home isn't ready yet. The cost of a full-service move in Springfield depends on the size of your home, the number of items, distance of the move, and any special services like packing or storage. Local moves are typically priced by the number of movers and hours required, while long-distance moves often depend on the total weight or volume of your shipment. Additional services such as insurance or storage can affect the overall cost. Small local moves can often be completed in a single day, including packing, loading, transport, and unloading. Larger homes or long-distance moves may take several days to complete. Requesting additional packers or movers can speed up the process if you're on a tight schedule. Full-service movers save you time and physical effort, handling heavy lifting and complex packing. Professional packing materials and techniques reduce the risk of damage. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have moving questions or tips to share.